Alam mo, pareho tayo. Takot din akong maningil sa customer ko dati until I did something that made them pay faster. Early days of my business, isa sa pinaka-struggle kong gawin is maningil sa kliyente. Madalas nakakalimutan mag-follow up kaya umaabot ng ilang buwang invoices yung hindi nakokolekta. Minsan sa sobrang tagal na, hindi ko na din ma-figure out aling invoice yung bayad na at alin yung hindi. Kaya ang ending, write-off na lang. Kasalanan ko naman, baka magalit yung client, mawalan pa ako ng income. But then one time, I realized, what if I try two things? Una, automate invoice sending and follow-ups. Zero gamit ko sa business ko. So zero na din yung bahalang mag-invoice at mag-remind sa customer. Automated. And then, I created the one up, one down policy. Pag umabot ng dalawang invoice ang outstanding mo, suspended ang account mo. And I send that notice to all of my clients. And guess what? Clients started to pay promptly. And so I realized communication, clear policies, at maayos na sistema ng invoicing at collection, these are very critical in making sure that your clients would be cooperative. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.